what if you die today? Saan ka pupunta? Sa heaven or sa hell? Diba? Any guess? Do you think you live a life of greatness, of goodness, para mapunta ka sa heaven? Or, kahit hindi na heaven, good place or bad place? And that is the story of the series. Nakakatapos ko lang i-rewatch for 5th time na, which is in The Good Place. And that series makes me think or fall in love with philosophy or moral philosophy or being good or ethics. Since, yung series na pag pinanood mo, hindi siya, at first about comedy, yes, sitcom siya. But, it will have your, it will question your morality, yung pagiging mabait mo, yung values mo, yung ethics mo, yung heaven and hell, since they recreated it sa series. And, technically, ang plot lang niya is, they die, 4 of them, and napunta sila sa good place. And then, some of them, one of them is actually or bad person. Kumbaga, hindi siya dapat doon, which is Eleanor. She's a self-absorbed, narcissist, selfish woman na nandun siya, napunta siya sa good place. And then, nandun si Chidi Anagonye, which teach a professor of ethics or moral philosophy. Tinulungan niya si Eleanor kasi moral philosophy siya. It is, sabi ni Immanuel Kant, it is our duty to help other people. So, kahit sino pa yan, kahit anong gagawin niya in the future, kahit anong ginawa niya in the past, if kailangan ng tulong, tulungan mo. Pinakita niya rin yun sa season 4. And, it's real. I think that series will make you be good, or at least study about philosophy, study about ethics. Why do we need to be good to others? What do we owe to each other? Bakit pa natin kailangan mga mabait? Wala namang may pake, 'di ba? Bakit natin kailangan maging mabait kung yung paggagawa natin ng kindness doesn't really care, kung wala namang sense, 'di ba? Bakit pa kailangan maging mabait? Wala namang nakita. Ayun yung mga sasagutin niya sa series na yun. And ipapakita din dun sa series na yun yung importance ng ating conscience na lahat ng tao is mabuti in some way. Alam niyo yun, that voice sa head yun na, uy, mali yan, anong ginagawa mo, nanood ka na naman ha, uy, ginagawa mo dyan. It is our conscience telling us na mali. Since we are built as a human, nasa engraved na yun sa DNA natin to do good, to help others. Since ganun tayo, we are a human being. That's our social norms or responsibility. And what I like in that series is that maraming philosophy na napag-usapan, maraming ethical problem, moral dilemma ang na-discuss about them. For example, the trolley problem. For example, merong isang patay, isang lalaki naka-tied sa train, nandito 5. Anong pipiliin mo? Papatay mo ba isa? O ito? Or for example, ito, kakilala mo, ito, random stranger. Papatay mo ba to? Or itong 5? So, maraming yung dilemma. So, mga ganon, sasagutin niya yun dun. Pero, what I really love about this is na nasingit nila yung pagiging philosophical ni Chidi na to the way na may enjoy mo, to the way na ma-absorb mo siya and matututunan mo siya and ma-apply mo rin in some way. Since nung grade school ako, high school ako, philosophy is one of the subjects that I really hate since it's boring, like stoicism, ano ba yan? Ano mong paki ko dyan? And that time, since we study philosophy, 4 grades, since required it's a prerequisite subject, kumbaga, minor subject siya na pag hindi mo tinig, hindi pwede kasi kasama siya. So, ngayon, as I grow older, I get into stoicism or philosophy kasi gusto ko na. And if you're a guy na doesn't like philosophy, doesn't want to study about ethics, values, etc., try to watch Good Place, since even the baddest person have a goodness in them. Always remember that. I remember this comment, kaya ako actually ginawa tong video na to. Sabi niya, Boss Ramen, okay lang ba gawan ng maganda yung isang tao na ginawan ka na masama before? Again, sabi ni Immanuel Kant, sabi dun sa series that humans have this duty to be good to others. And as sa theory naman ng Stoicism, you are responsible to help others if you can. You need to be kind to other people. Since we are in a society, it's our responsibility to help each other. No, regardless kung anong ginawa niya. If kaya mong tulungan, tulungan mo. If namamatay na siya sa harap mo, kahit anong pag ginawa niyang kasamaan sa'yo, tulungan mo kasi buhay yon. It's your responsibility. Again, kahit hindi totoo yung heaven and hell, sabi ni Marcus Aurelius before, if totoo yung God, okay, at least, if hindi totoo yung God, you still need to be kind and do your responsibility. So that, if totoo yung heaven and hell, at least you still do it. Kumbaga, ginawa mo pa rin yung part mo na maging mabuting tao. Na-guess nyo, that's the Stoic way. That's why I discuss Stoicism sa mga tao since hindi siya inclusive lang sa mga Stoic people. Lahat tayo inclusive, hindi siya exclusive for those who just want to study philosophy kasi philosophy and religions are other thing, pero mostly kasi ginagawa ng philosophy yung religion eh. So kung ikaw Muslim ka, you can still study Stoicism kasi panglahatan siya. It's just a way of life. It's just a guide. So I guess nyo, being good is hard. Ayun, natutunan ko sa Good Place. Being good is hard. O nga naman, bakit mo pa kailangan magpakabait? Ayun sinasabi ni Eleanor lagi. Sobrang mahirap maging mabuti. It's much more harder to be good, especially in this life, than to be bad or to be negative. I discussed that before. Since ang dami ng factors ngayon eh. Ang dami ng factors para hindi maging mabuti. Una, madali kang pagsamantalahan, marami ng cruel people sa mundo, marami ng masama. But again, marami na nga eh. So, dadagdag ka ba? You have this idea na sa utak mo, I told you to be good, I told you to be kind. You have this knowledge na, or hindi ka na ignorant. So, hindi ka na excuse para hindi gawin yun. Gets nyo? Sa The Good Place na series, para makapunta ka sa good place, your points, may pointing system. So, for example, you watch this video and then you did good kinabukasan. So, plus 10 points, parang gano'n, hindi ka nagmumura, plus 100 points, parang gano'n. Tapos, pag umabot ka ng 1 million, mapupunta ka sa good place. Pag kinulang ka, pupunta ka sa bad place. And, the problem with that, knowing that scenario or knowing that you have a point system, it will change your motivation. So, when you're doing good, kasi it will, for your self-gratification, sisikat ka, for followers, for clout, then technically, your motivation is wrong. So, if you do good, kahit walang camera, kahit walang video, kahit walang effects sa'yo, do it. Since, ayun yung tamang motivation. You do good kasi mabuti kang tao. You're a good person. So, isa nating tandaan is yung motivation of doing something is very important. Ba't mo ba siya ginawa? Diba? Bakit mo ba siya ginawa? Act of kindness, act of something. Diba? That's why nga meron sa law, pag napatay mo yung asawa mo, excluded ka pa rin dun sa kulong kasi meron tinatawag na act of passion. Kumaga, nagawa mo siya kasi sa spike ng passion mo, kaya mo napatay yung kabit ng asawa mo or kung ano man. Ayun yung motivation, di ba? Though, syempre, ibang usapan na yun. Pero, ayun yung pinag-usapan natin dito. Same with the point system dun sa Good Place. If yung motivation nila is wrong, hindi na madadagdagan yung points nila since pag nasa utak nila, uy, may point system pala. Nari tayo, ikaw, nalaman mo na may point system pala sa langit. You'll do good kasi alam mong kailangan mo ipataas yung points. Same with sa Christianity. I don't blame them pero meron mga people na they're doing good kasi para sa Diyos or something because kahit hindi naman nila personality yun. Minsan, kung sino pa yung sobrang Christian, sobrang inclined sa Catholicism, sila pa yung mas hindi ganun kaganda yung ugali. Di ba? So, not all of them. I know people na sobrang bait. I know Christians na sobrang bait. Not all of them, pero marami. Kasi they're just doing it para dun sa instinct or thought na kailangan nila mapunta sa langit. Nagets nyo? Wrong motivation. Dapat ang motivation nila, kaya sila mabuti kasi it's their responsibility. It's your responsibility. It's our responsibility to be good even though wala tayong utang na loob sa kanila. What do we owe to each other? Bakit mo kailangan maging mabait sa akin? Bakit ko kailangan maging mabait sa iyo? Ano bang ino-owe ko sa iyo? Ano bang utang ko sa iyo? Wala naman, 'di ba? So, the lesson here is be good always kasi kailangan. Kasi it's our duty as a person. And panoorin yung Good Place. That's the lesson here. That's the video all about The Good Place. It's a very good series. And I think you will fall in love with moral philosophy and ethics and being good in general. Or being kind. Di mo naman kailangan maging nice. Iba yung being good sa being nice lang. Being nice is, kasi pumayag lang ako kasi ayoko masakta yung feelings mo. Or, hindi, ayoko kasi ganito, ganyan. Being good is being good. Ginawa mo to kasi kailangan gawin. It's being kind then, di ba? So, anyways, enough of me yapping. See you guys next video. I hope you learned something. I hope you've watched that series. It's a quick series lang, 20 minutes per episode. Yeah. Love you all. Peace. Bye-bye. And as a reward for you guys, may webinar ako about cryptocurrency. If you guys want to learn about how I earn money here on crypto for free, just a act of kindness. Wala nga namang raw motivation doon. Wala lang. Gusto ko lang gumawa, mag-return lang. Kung ayaw nyo, okay lang naman. Sige, next video. Love you all. Peace. Bye-bye.